Are you security? Are you doing like a security check? Alright, we'll do the sniffy smells and yeah, everything's good.
Turn left.
Right. Here's not good. Dude, me and you, let's hang out for the day, come on. Fuck it, what else have you got? I mean, I know you got a busy agenda, right? Yeah, don't do that because that makes me sleepy, you fucking bastards. You obviously haven't heard of mass hysteria, have you? Trevi, do you actually know the way, or is this like the blind leading the fucking blonde? I mean, sorry, the blind. Alright, go on, I'll chase my own shadow while we're at it. Oh, hey, look, there's the shadow. Oh, hang on a minute. You know what I love about you? That you've absolutely no problem with this guy. Yeah, no, I think that's pretty sweet. I mean, I know that I'm about to experience Tanah Lot, which is great to arrive here at this hour of the morning. Because frankly, the guys are like, pay whatever, like. Hello. Pay when you get back. I'm like, well, I suppose they haven't opened up yet. You know what? I'm just gonna sit down here and fucking, oh Jesus. Hey dude, sorry. Oh man, you're not entirely blind, are you? Are you working on your senses? Tell me, come here. No, that's not cool. That's not cool. I know somewhere that I'm gonna bring you to. Actually, no, that isn't really cool. Are you salvageable? No, you're blind. Yeah, no, fuck Tanah Lot. I know where I'm bringing you. Hang on. Give me a moment. Anyway, I'm bringing you to a cat sanctuary. I found out about it last night. You're, like, show me. Come here. Oh no, that's... I could be... We'll see. I'll see what I can do with you. I'll bring you back here. I'll see what they say at the cat sanctuary. I just... Ah, fuck this. You poor little thing. Yeah, I know you're blind. Let me have a little look at you, like, just to make sure. Oh, fuck, I don't need to film this. Fuck props. Yay, look, I'm nice to something. Yeah, I eat lobster 2 minutes later, so fuck this. Hang on, more important shit. Stripey, can you... Stripey, you're gonna have to go this one alone. I'm just gonna bring this poor little kitten back to the professionals, and then Mummy might miss you, but I'll tell them where you came from, okay?
Turn right.
Okay, one fucking thing. No, don't go pokies. Like, just trust me on this one, okay? Fuck. Alright. Ryman's buff. First of all, it's a question of age. You'll be alright. You're in good hands. It's me, the one you smelled. Yeah. And I know they didn't particularly want you in the fancy schmancy cat place, but on today's menu we have salmon. That's for you. Tuna steak, that's for me. So I make some little bit of sashimi or whatnot. Flybeds above hospitals don't necessarily need to be scary places. You're in good hands, trust me. Like, dettol, sensitive. If it's good for babies, it's good for you. Okay, welcome to a bit of water. Generally speaking, it's against your nature. But you, I have faith in you that you can break the rules. So here we go. So how's the... Okay, you're trembling. Do you want me to get it warmer? I'll get it warmer. Let's get it warmer. Fuck this. That's it. Fuck my YouTube channel. I'm becoming a vet. How long does that take? Biology, piece of pants. Well, I don't know if I call you maybe Button. I don't know. Maybe the dettol helped you after all. But yes, I have a feeling like I'm actually trying to book you a flight back to Ireland. Yep. So it should be grand. What's over there? Who's over there? What's under there? What you find under there? Ooh, something warm. Bye. Yeah, so never a dull moment. I'm at the veterinary clinic, and this is fucking making me sniffy. I call him Sniffy. And the girls have other ideas, but hey, whatever. Yes, I checked around, asked people if anyone knew the cat. I mean, like, he's in a pretty... He's alright, I mean, he's chilling. He's doing okay, but... it's conjunctivitis or some shit like that, so... could be talking about a blind cat, but hey, fuck, I don't know. We kind of hit it off. It's only a kitten, so, like, I'm sure he would actually appreciate... well, assuming he's male, it's hard to tell. No funny business. Yeah, I mean, if I do bring him back, I'll teach him to go in a little collar so I can bring him around and stuff and whatnot. Like, I already did that today, but he seemed cool with it, so he probably, I don't know, it seems like a smart cat. He's just, I think he just appreciates a bit of TLC. Over and out before I fucking cry. Nah, that's just, I can't, I'm just too delighted to even act sad. Paris Hilton, eat your fucking heart out. Sniffs is good. Sniffs is super excited. I don't know, it's probably been a couple of days since he couldn't see. I was gonna remove it myself, but obviously, you know, I wanted to get the right shit. So I'm going to take care of this little cat for a couple of days, bring him up to Ubud, and then maybe it's a sign. That's why I'm going to maybe come back after all these vaccinations and all that shit. Like, it's a long process, about 6 months. And yeah, pick him up. Live here maybe for 6 months or a year, teach them English. I don't know, Sniffs, what do you think? Fucking lassie, go home. It makes sense, it makes sense. Excuse me, you wouldn't mind telling me where the bathroom is, would you? Sorry, what was that, Sniffy? What have you been doing? Where were you last night? Come on, out with it. Uh-oh. I better, Sniffy, I better get you out of here quickly. Jeez, I leave you for what, like 3-4 days? You're already sleeping in her bed. Unbelievable.
He wanted to get off, by the way. He wasn't interested.
Oh no, I'm not getting jealous. The green-eyed monster is not sitting in here.
He wasn't interested in cuddles at all. He wanted to get off and play with the big kids.
Yeah. Oh, look. No, actually, no, Sniffy, don't copy or paste. No, don't. Like, you're doing the thing, aren't you? I need to focus on this. Yeah.